Hello children, how are you all doing?
Hello friends, how are you?
Children, today we are going to read and understand a beautiful poem from the ICSE Class 2 Hindi subject. This poem is Savera. Savera means early morning. This beautiful poem Savera is written by Shri Dwarika Prasad Maheswari. The poem talks about the magic that happens in the sky and all around us early in the morning. Children, do you know what I am talking about? To experience this magic, you need to wake up very early in the morning and you can see it changing from minute to minute. This will also be different depending on the day and the place where you are. Yes, you guessed it right. I'm talking about the beautiful sunrise that we all see every day. You see those beautiful colors changing in the sky and feel the fresh, cool breeze and hear those birds waking up and chirping to make those beautiful sounds. It's like a magic, right? Great. Let's read the poem first and then go into the detail to understand the meaning. उदय हुआ सूरज पूरब में, आसमान में छाई लाली, रही ना रात ना रहा अंधेरा, रही ना चंदा की उजियाली। डाल डाल पर बैठे पक्षी चह 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 चहक रहे हैं, खिले फूल मुस्काई कलियां, सारे उपवन महक रहे हैं। हवा बह रही धीमी धीमी, शीतल मंद और सुखदाई, जाग गए हैं खेत बाग वन, पेड़ ले रहे हैं अंगड़ाई। कनकन पर बिखरे हैं मोती, कनकन बिखरी हैं मनिया, कितनी मनहर कितनी सुंदर, सुखद सुहानी ये घड़ियां। Children, it may sound difficult, but no need to worry. We will try to learn the important words and their meanings first, and then read the poem again to understand it fully. Okay? Vishwa, can you please read some important words and their meanings?
Sure, Dad. Uday, shine, Suraj, sun, Purab, east, Asman, sky, Chai, spread, Lali, redness, Raat, night, Andhera, dark, Chanda, moon, Ujiyali, light.
Thank you, Vishwa. उदय हुआ सूरज पूरब में, आसमान में छाई लाली, रही ना रात ना रहा अंधेरा, रही ना चंदा की उजियाली. When the sun rises in the east, you see the sky slowly turning red. Night goes away and it won't be dark anymore, and you cannot even see the moonlight. You may see the moon sometimes in the morning, but when the sun is very bright, it will start to fade away. Vishwa, let's go to the second part.
Dal, branch, pakshi, bird, chahak, chirping, kile, bloom, muskai, smile, kaliya, buds, upavan, garden, mehak, fragrance.
डाल डाल पर बैठे पक्षी चह 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 चहक रहे हैं, खिले फूल मुस्काई कलियां, सारे उपवन महक रहे हैं. It means birds sitting on the branches and chirping to make those beautiful sounds. Yes, those are the sounds. With all those blooming flowers, the whole garden is filled with sweet, pleasant smell and fragrance. It smells good, right?
Hava, air, dhimi, slow, sheetal, cool, sukadayi, pleasantness, Khet, farm, bag, garden, one, forest, paid, tree. अंगड़ाई यान,
हवा बह रही धीमी धीमी, शीतल मंद और सुखदाई, जाग गए हैं खेत बाग वन, पेड़ ले रहे हैं अंगड़ाई. You can feel the breeze moving slowly, and it is cool and very pleasant in the morning. All the farms, gardens, and forests, they all woke up, and the trees and plants are stretching their limbs like we all do when we wake up to the beautiful sunrise, right, children?
कण, particle, बिखरे, scattered, मोती, pearl, मनिया, gems, सुंदर, beautiful, सुखद, happy, सुहाने, pleasant, गड़िया, moments.
कन कन पर बिखरे हैं मोती, कन कन बिखरी हैं मनिया, कितनी मनहर कितनी सुंदर, सुखद सुहानी ये घड़ियां. All those scattered pearls, gems, and crystals, they all shine and sparkle very beautifully in the sunlight. The whole thing looks so wonderful, right? And those moments during the sunrise will be so pleasant and like a magic, isn't it? Vishwa, can you please read the poem for us?
Sure, Dad. उदय हुआ सूरज पूरब में, आसमान में छाई लाली, रही न रात न रहा अंधेरा, रही न चंदा की उजियाली. डाल डाल पर बैठी पक्षी चह 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 चहक रहे हैं. खिले फूल मुस्काई कलियां, सारे उपवन महक रहे हैं. हवा बह रही धीमी धीमी, शीतल मंद और सुखदाई, जाग गए हैं खेत बाग वन, पेड़ ले रहे हैं अंगड़ाई. कन पर बिखरे है मोती, कन कन बिखरी है मनिया, कितनी मनहर कितनी सुंदर, सुखद सुहानी एक गड़िया.
That was excellent. Thank you, buddy.
Thank you, Dad.
Children, hope you all enjoyed this beautiful poem. And remember, you will need to wake up very early to see the beautiful sunrise and experience the magic. If you are already doing it, great. That is a very good habit. Keep doing it. When you wake up early in the morning, you get that fresh oxygen and all the energy to keep you motivated. And not only that, you will also have plenty of time for yourself and you can do a lot more things with it. Okay, children? We'll see you again in our next video. Until then, happy reading.
Okay, friends. Thank you and enjoy the beautiful sunrise. We will see you again.